The humble slow cooker, a beacon of convenience and flavorful meals, remains a kitchen essential. But with countless options available, choosing the right one can be daunting. Fear not, fellow food enthusiasts. This deep review delves into the top 5 slow cookers of 2024, offering a glimpse into their strengths, weaknesses, and suitability for different needs. Number 1. All-Clad 7-quart slow cooker with aluminum insert. Experience. This beauty boasts an impressive 7-quart capacity, perfect for large families or batch cooking. The aluminum insert heats evenly, ensuring consistent results. The intuitive digital display and multiple settings simplify operation, while the browning function eliminates the need for a separate pan. While premium build quality comes with a premium price tag, this cooker is built to last and elevates the slow cooking experience. Those seeking a high-end, versatile cooker with exceptional performance and durability. Number 2. Calphalon Digital Sauté Slow Cooker. Experience. This 6-quart option features a unique sauté function, allowing you to brown ingredients directly in the pot before slow cooking. The digital controls offer precise temperature control, and the sleek stainless steel design is a kitchen showstopper. However, the non-stick inner pot may require more delicate handling compared to ceramic inserts. Cooks who value the convenience of browning and appreciate a modern aesthetic. Number 3. Instant Pot Electric Precision Dutch Oven. Experience. This multi-cooker goes beyond slow cooking, offering pressure cooking, yogurt making, and even cake baking. The 6-quart capacity is ample for most households, and the intuitive interface makes it user-friendly. While the pressure cooking function adds versatility, it might not be necessary for everyone. Multitasking cooks seek a versatile appliance for various cooking methods. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Multifunction Cooker. Experience. This luxurious 7-quart cooker boasts 11 cooking functions, including slow cooking, browning, and sous vide. The sleek design and premium materials exude elegance, but the hefty price tag might deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, the multitude of functions might overwhelm some users. Culinary enthusiasts who prioritize high-end features, design, and versatility and are willing to invest. Number 5. GreenPan Premier Stainless Steel Slow Cooker. Experience. This 6-quart cooker stands out with its ceramic insert. Known for its durability and non-stick properties, the sleek stainless steel exterior and intuitive controls add a touch of modern style. While the performance is commendable, the lack of browning functionality might be a drawback for some. Cooks who prioritize a healthy non-stick cooking surface and appreciate a modern design.